Hello everyone, I am Mr.Peck. This is my friend. Her name is Lily. Hi Lily.
Hello, Mr. Peck.
Lily, look at this picture. What can you see here?
I can see some people, some suitcases, and a sign. I think it is an airport. The man is smiling and waving. He looks like he is meeting someone. The woman is tired. She's carrying some heavy suitcases. Ask me, Mr. Peck.
How many suitcases are shown?
4 suitcases are shown.
Are all suitcases the same color?
Yes, they are.
Are all the tags yellow?
Yes, they are.
How many people can you see?
I can see 3 people.
Is the man wearing a red shirt?
No, he isn't.
Is he wearing shorts?
No, he isn't.
Is the staff woman smiling?
Yes, she is.
What color is her uniform?
It is red.
Does the sign have a red background?
No, it doesn't.
What can you see on the sign?
I can see an airplane, an arrow, and numbers.
Good job, Lily. See you later.